OBS is not loading. What should I do? Anyways, I'm getting late, so I'm going to my class.
Two sons. And he went to the first and said, Son, go.
Time to go to work. Oh, tire is flat. I'll have to fix it. No problem. All done. Good to go. Finally. Before I leave, I have something to tell. Frustration was part of my inner shadow, but Travis stated that our inner shadow can be our superpower. In this video, I, Yashika Chopra, will take you on a journey of reflection and a vision to my future. I'll share about the wisdom I have gained and how it has and it will shape me as a leader. Tottenham stated that change is crucial for success. In India, I worked at Lancers for a few years and the knowledge I gained as a teacher was truly transformative. I observed that leading is not about being in an authority, it's about serving others and showing empathy towards others. I was just reading the book The Journey written by Roger Hilland and it reminded me of my journey as a teacher. What I have observed is that listening is very important. When we listen to the needs and aspirations of the children, they feel more valued. It brings mutual respect and genuine engagement in the class. Apart from that, Kluger also stated that listening brings a state of togetherness. So yes, that's a very important aspect. However, this journey has been full of challenges. As stated by Northouse, leadership is all about checking your ego and being patient. In this journey, I learned how to grow in humility and recognize that leadership is not about being in the front, but it's about helping others to lift and shine. Also, episodes of the Chosen series reminded me in the power of God and servant leadership. Looking forward, my vision as an educational leader is clear. As mentioned by Hamarnas, teachers usually have a vision that is concrete and substantial. When I'll be in a school setup, I'll make sure that children feel empowered and valued. Here in Canada, my first goal is to be a primary school teacher where I'll try to create a positive and strong relationship with each one of them. My mission will not be just to teach, but to guide, inspire, and create lifelong learners. Hollenstein stated that teachers must acquire professional knowledge. My next goal is to pursue PhD because it will give me in-depth knowledge about the field and I'll be able to contribute in the policies and performances of the education system. Moving further in life, my next goal is to become a professor where I will be able to guide the teachers of next generation. I'll help them to prepare for their real classroom setup. I'll make sure that they get bundled up with a lot of innovative ideas which they can implement in their real classroom setup. To achieve these goals, I have few strategies in my mind which I would be able to accomplish in 2 or 3 years. Firstly, I'm already working at Kumon Hair, which is helping me to gain Canadian experience. Next, I would like to develop with different professionals globally, and apart from that, I'll also take part in different mentorship and professional development programs which will help me to enhance my knowledge in this particular field. And it stated that leadership is all about transforming your vision into reality. At the end, my goal is simple. It's about to be a leader who is not just in the authority, but it's about becoming a leader who is serving others and who is helping others to lead. Remember that leadership is not a destination, it's about how you are reaching towards that destination. As I move further in life, I'll carry these lessons along with me. Till that time, remember that keep learning, keep growing, and keep leading with your heart. Thank you for being part of this reflection and having an insight about my future. Don't forget, don't talk, act. Don't say, show. And don't promise, prove.